everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Celestine, and I'm back with another video. Today I will teach you how to draw colorful butterflies that you will surely love. As always, you can frame it somewhere around your house for decoration. It could be in the living room or bedroom. And again, it is very simple and easy to do. Just follow along. You will need A4 printer paper, a pencil, and some coloring pens. Let's begin. So, I will start by doing my first butterfly, doing its body. And the top bit. So I've done the antennae and I'm going to do its beautiful wings. So it's going to be a curved shape. And now I am going to do the pattern inside the wings. I've done my first beautiful butterfly. I'm going to do my next one. So, as you can see, this bit is, the whole thing is finished, and I'm doing the pattern, but it's going to be way different. So, they're going to be lines. If you want, you can also draw a butterfly that has its wings flapped. And now I am going to color them in. So this one is going to be pink, magenta, purple, and dark purple. It's so beautiful. And now I am going to do the black part because some butterflies have this kind of color. Wow, look at my beautiful butterfly. It's outstanding. Now I am going to do my second one. So it's going to be yellow, gold, orange, and brown. I love butterflies because they're really beautiful and they're fascinating. And when I was little, I went to this zoo and saw lots of different phenomenal butterflies. It was really fun there. I'm drawing these because these butterfly colors are one of my favorite. Now I am going to color this in orange. It's so beautiful! Oh my gosh. So nice. I'm going to add some lines so you can see it. It's so pretty. You know what? You can frame this and put it somewhere around your house. And now I'm doing the outline of the butterfly. Now I've done my second one. I'm going to do my third one, but if you don't have any of these pens, then you can use crayons, but I'm just letting you know that these are a little bit more better. Now I'm going to color in my last and final butterfly blue. Now the three of them are done. They're outstanding and beautiful, and that is how you draw 3 beautiful butterflies. Thank you for watching and drawing with me today. Go ahead and try my fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Keep drawing and being creative. Watch out for my next exciting video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye!